back with another video. So today I'm just gonna be vlogging, you know, typical vlog. I was gonna upload this video. I had good editing and stuff. I was gonna upload it, but I didn't have enough room to upload it. So I think this one uploads. If it doesn't, I'll just have to get some free space off, guys. I've already done day in life in this video. Now I'm just gonna be vlogging on, you know, just vlogging. Yeah, just vlogging, guys. So I hope you enjoy these videos a lot, guys, because I enjoy making this video for you guys. So make sure you smash that like and subscribe and do whatever you can to make me happy. Thank you for 19 subs, guys. Holy shit, we came a long way for this ball. So guys, that's why we're just gonna be vlogging, guys. Well, beesh! Oh, the LGs know me! Guys, he can smell you guys. Ooh. It's gonna be a nice vlog today, guys. I love my puppy so much. I got him for free. I got him for free because my other one died. R.I.P. Guys, we're gonna go back ghost investigating hopefully today or tomorrow. So after this video, I think Bentley might be here. After this video, guys, after I'm done, you know, with my morning vlog, then we can do my haunted vlog. You already know where we're gonna go. You already know. Oh, just a hotel. How's your day been, guys? That's good. Guys, I think today might be the day that I do my bike video. But let's go an intro, bro. Play the intro right now. Guys, see, that's a banging intro, guys. I was gonna use it, but it's Brad's Vlogs, the dirt bike user intro. I'm picking up my dirt bikes today, guys. So you're gonna be with me. I'm gonna be riding them. So you're gonna be with me in that part. They're pretty big dirt bikes. Obviously, there's gonna be a part 2 somewhere. I'm not gonna do that, guys. Well, this is part 1, guys. So just stick around for part 2's here. I know it's such a bit boring, guys. I'm just gonna quit.
No hands. What happened? I'm in a NASCAR.